what we gonna do with this one? In other words, how can we use it? The way I want is say if uh, input manager input vertical greater than 0, and then we increase the speed. That's what I want. But we have the error here. The reason we have error here because we cannot just use it. There are rule in the C has not allow us to do this. So if you go back to the car script, you remember this one? Because we have this one because we want to call a method in the role manager. So we have something similar here. We want to use a variable in the input manager. So we have two options. We have something called publish. Remember the way we do this, we make it publish. That's why another class can use it. And then we call publish because it will return the flop. So we say flop get input vertical, right? And then in here we return this input vertical. So this is traditional way. This is the normal way, easy to understand by on what we know. But we also have another way called publish flop input vertical. This is not equal. I don't know how to call this one, but this is not equal. This is link. Okay, let's say link. Right. So this one and this one is two way to get this one because this is protected. If you ask me why you put protected there and you to create a problem, this is the clean code. This is the OOP. This is how things will happen when I code, right? Somebody say, why don't you just put it published over here? That also work, but it's not clean code. It will create another mess that I don't want to talk about right now. So this is how I do it. It make it protested, and then publish over here. Publish over here. You can use this one or this one. It's up to you. So okay, now let's say I want to get input vertical. It's still error. Why? Because this is the class. The way we do over here is we create a variable. So we need a variable. So this input manager manager, right? So we need this variable. So where the variable over here? So I make it like this, and then okay, it protested correct input manager, right? So if you do this, it will not error anymore. So this is how you do things in the Laravel. And then when we have variable like this, that means we have to go to the car moving and drop input manager over here. And now you have it, right? Let's play the game. Somehow I don't know when the car 0 we don't see the car, but when we slowly move, you see I just press off and you see it off. You see when I relay the scarpit will stop angry, but I keep pressing, it will keep speed up until it's 27 as I say, right? So when I relay it will like this. We have it, but I want when I release the 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 the, the, the button, the car will slow down again. How can we do that? So now I want to remove this one. I don't need this one anymore. So now we have this one. Let's say another condition. So if you see this one too complicated to read, you can do something like this. This is okay. This is a better way to do this. Easier to read. I like in one line, but for you at the beginning, you can do this to make it easy. It's the same. So okay, when I not pressing the vertical, so what we gonna do? If this input manager, so this time I will use input vertical to see it the same, equal less than 1. So what I gonna do? I will decrease the speed to here. So if you want to use one variable here, it's okay. If you want, you can do the speed down. When you say okay stop, it has to be go down faster, and then you do that, and then speed down. So you can use two variable here, right? So when you release, it will go down in another speed, right? Increase one speak, discrete, another speak. Okay, then they name for this, like I don't know. If you guys know what I'm talking about, please comment that word in English. Is I don't use that a lot. Wait, no, that's not I. Do you know why? This is know why it's like that? Because when I'm not pressing anything, the speak will discrete to minus. That's why the car reverse. Okay. How can we handle that? Let's say if the speak um, smaller. Okay, I want something. Okay, let's say I will do that later. I want something, but I don't want to show it right now to make you confused. So let's say if the speak less than 0, and this that means 0, because this one, because I'm not pressing anything, so it keep deduct, and then we have the minus, speak. So put it there, and you don't have it. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now good. Now let's press W. You see the car will increase, but I release, the car will stop immediately, right? And you can see the car will stop very fast. I don't like it. Okay, let's say, okay, we have another number over here. Let's say like this, and like this. So you can reset. Okay, if you want, you can manually change here, or you can reset this one. But when you reset this one, you have to manually drop over here. That also a problem I will solve later, but not now. Okay, let's play the game again. You see now nothing happened, and then when I press off, it will increase, and then I release, it will slow down. Perfect. Okay, but I want something else. I want that when I press nothing, the car will move, but very slowly. So that means we need something called speed min, right? So I want the car move very slowly. So this is speed min. How can we do this? So we will use this min over here. This speed min and this speed min. So that means the scar on never go to 0, and it will resolve the problem of car disappear when game started, and when game started. So you see, it's slowly running, right? And then when I press off, it will increase. If you don't like the speed, increase speed, like acceleration, I don't know what it's called, I don't remember. But when you release it will slow down. Okay, slow down. Okay, good, right? So that's it. That we have a car can move, and in that episode we will make it move left and right, but not for now. That's it for today. See you in that episode. Okay.